What's the meaning of boil? Boil. Boil.
Boil. Boil. The term boil refers to the process of heating a liquid until it reaches its boiling point and begins to vaporize, producing bubbles and steam. As the liquid boils, the temperature remains constant until all of the liquid has been converted into gas. The result of boiling depends on the substance being heated and the intended outcome. For example, boiling can be used to kill bacteria in water or to cook food, resulting in a change in texture, flavor, and nutritional content. In industrial processes, boiling may be used to extract or separate components from a mixture. Overall, boiling is a versatile and important process with numerous applications in daily life and industry.